This is when you know you're married to an Indonesian. Okay. The sun's out, we're down in the beach, beautiful day, top off, sunbathe, go for a swim. And then you got this. Using a jacket of pants. Excuse me, love. It's summertime. Why are you wearing a jacket?
I don't want to get tan. I'm already tan.
Standar kecantikan di Indonesia emang beda sama Eropa, gengs. Kalau di sini, cantik itu harus putih kayak artis Korea. Tapi di barat sana, justru warna kulit sawo matang seperti kulit kita itu lebih cantik dan eksotis. Makanya gak heran bule seneng berjemur atau sengaja tanning ngabisin ribuan dolar demi kulit yang agak gelap. Makanya juga gak heran bule-bule kepincut sama cowok dan cewek Indonesia, setidaknya salah satu alasannya ya. Seperti yang dibilang babang bule ini.
Bule suka berjemur.
Iya makanya.
Dia kasih hitam kulit katanya.
Iya makanya. Iya. Kalau di Prancis, apa namanya? Definisi kecantikan. Kami suka hitam, kami gak suka putih. Kalau di sini dibalik.
Mana bisa jemur ini kalau jemur gini?
Kalau di sini dibalik.
Anu dia
Di sini dibalik kan?
Makanya kalau kita berjemur di sini cepat hitam.
Ya.
Karena mataharinya agak
Cepat
pendek.
gosong ya.
Ya.
Kayak kulit saya ini hitam.
Kayak saya pakai ini biar lah.
Perbedaan budaya yang kontras bisa bikin kebiasaan makan pun berubah, gengs. Biasanya di sono mulai makan roti, steak, pasta, dan sebangsanya. Mau nggak mau setelah nikah sama orang Indonesia, terutama kalau sama istri orang Indonesia, harus mau makan pakai nasi. Meskipun suami itu kepala keluarga, tapi kan istri selain bendahara juga penguasa rumah tangga. Kalau nggak nurut, bisa murka dan jiwa ormasnya membara.
Istriku orang Indonesia harus ada beras di dalam rumah. Tanpa beras, mati. Harus ada beras, harus ada beras. Gara-gara istriku saya berhenti makanan roti. Sudah, nasi aman.
Udah pasti nih, orang Indonesia mah doyannya pedes, gengs. Sambal itu kudu, harus, wajib ada. Nyetok bumbu-bumbu penyedap sampai bumbu instan Indonesia gak boleh enggak.
My wife's Indonesian, so of course we have all the spices and sambal you could ever dream of and think of. And don't forget the MSG, extra flavor. My wife's Indonesian, so of course we have Indomie. My wife's Indonesian, so of course this house always has rice. Not done yet. You forgot my wife's Indonesian, so more frozen chilies, all different kinds of chilies, and more chilies. Oh hey, my wife's Indonesian, so of course we got a bidet. Get that clean.
Tell me you're married to an Indonesian without telling me. First, obviously, rice cooker. You want to see in here? ABC's a full box of spices, because God forbid. Geprek, obviously. This is obviously not enough. More. Then this is just all the Kopiko coffees you can imagine. And then more. And then, 4. Yep, 4 boncapes. And then sampal everywhere. They're everywhere. Then rice, obviously. Mie goreng, obviously. These little 3 side drawers are mine. Yep, want to see more? I have a lot.
Tuh kan, percaya kan, gengs? Laci dan lemari penuh sama produk instan Indonesia. Suami mah tinggal nyingir-nyingir aja. Belum ketahuan aja tagihan pay letternya bulan depan kan? Gak cuman makanan aja, gengs. Kebiasaan sehari-hari bisa berubah total. Yang tadinya makannya duduk manis, sekarang makannya setelan warteg, kaki naik pangkat ke atas kursi seperti di video di atas, gengs.
Living with my Indonesian husband. 10,000 sandals outside of the house. But inside, no shoes allowed. Instant extremely sweet kopi is the fob of everyone. Every house has a kettle. Breakfast. Snack. Lunch. dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner as well. Loves scoring food. Outside, always sweating. Inside, always freezing.
Pas lagi sakit, orang Indonesia juga beda. Kalau pasangan lain milih pengobatan modern, tapi kalau orang Indonesia lebih milih pengobatan tradisional yang emang lebih instan, langsung berasa nggak usah nunggu lama-lama efeknya.
POV, ketika kamu sakit tapi istrimu orang Indonesia.
Of course my wife is Indonesian. I'm always eating ikan asin.
Of course my wife's Indonesian. She won't let us put our daughter in the sun.
Of course my wife is Indonesian. She just stands on the chair while she eats kerupu. Of course my wife is Indonesian. Always stocks minyak angin.
Really?
It's mine.
Lama sekali!
I have an Indonesian wife.
Of course you wear duster every night.
I have an Indonesian wife.
Of course she uses clothes to wipe the floor.
I have an Indonesian wife.
Of course she used minyak when she got a sore tummy instead of medicine.
Maybe I want to
Hold it.
It's already better.
Nah, buat Gen Z atau generasi seblakers yang nggak ngerti apa maksudnya video tadi, Mimin kasih konteks ya. Kalau di Indonesia tuh, kalau tiba-tiba mules saat di perjalanan, ada mitos. Dipercaya kalau kita megang erat-erat atau nyakuin batu, mulesnya bakalan berangsur hilang. Ya, kalau menurut sains sih ini efek sugesti aja sebenarnya. Tapi masih banyak kok yang percaya. Nah, kalau kalian masih percaya nggak, gengs? Beneran ampuh nggak? Cantumin di komentar ya. Kalau Om Bule ini mengutarakan kesan dan pesannya setelah menikahi wanita Indonesia, Mimin juga nggak tahu nih ngomongnya dipaksa istri atau enggak ya. Soalnya seperti memuji, tapi reaksinya seperti lagi tersandra begitu sih.
Stop marrying Indonesian women if you never seen this video. I am a husband of Indonesian woman. This is what happened with our relationship. Number 1, hugging Indonesian wife for 1 hour is equal finding relaxation at spa. When I'm tired coming home from work, she hugs me and man, wow, it's a miracle. All my exhaustion vanish. Number 2, everything Indonesian wife touches is glowing. My wife loves everything clean. When she touches everything, I don't know, this is crazy. Everything glowing. It's like every corner of our house fills with my wife's love signature. Number 3, a love of an Indonesian wife is equal like a love of our own mother. Her motherly face teaches me a lesson. How God bless all men in this world. We are surrounded by great women. First, our mother who loves us more than herself. Second, our beloved wife who treats us as her part of her soul. Never mistreat a woman. Never disrespect them. They are really soft-hearted. Please remember that.
Oke deh, sekian dulu video kali ini. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Mohon maaf atas kesalahan kata, data, maupun terjemahan ya. Oh iya, kalian bisa memfollow para content creators atau nonton video selengkapnya melalui kredit yang tercantum di video dan deskripsi. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah! Wassalamualaikum!